Boys, I was just informed we have a slight emergency and my heart is kind of shattered right now. It's currently 8:46 in the afternoon. Jordan called me and said I should get over there. So that's what I'm doing, and I got a feeling I'm not gonna like as to why. He kind of filled me in earlier this week, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what he told me. But first, we must fire up old girl, because we're gonna take Lucifer over to Jordan's. And you guys know, he lives really close. So let's fire this thing up at damn near, what, 9 o'clock and piss the neighbors off. For my neighbor watching this, thank you for not complaining. So to inform you all on what's going on, one, not that good of news for myself. The hell was that? Two, kind of good news for Jordan. And three, probably not good news for you all. So a little while back, I actually made a video saying that Jordan was considering selling a Ruby 5.0. And you guys know, Ruby 5.0 and Lucifer were like white on rice, like yin and yang. You know what I'm saying? They were like this. Growing up, when they were kids, they were close. You know, we did mods and stuff, and then the children grew up. They moved out. They became adults. You know, and you know how that goes. So there came a point where Jordan was just kind of ready to move on from the car, which I totally understand. I've definitely been there myself. I'm not gonna say I haven't. But yeah, he has a buyer today. Already has the money. And the guy is 5 minutes away, and we're late. So we're gonna go meet him. I would assume he's probably a viewer of the channel, because I don't think Jordan publicly listed this. So it might have been just like somebody reaching through the channel. I don't know, I'm just throwing it out there. But we're gonna go over to Jordan's, and we're gonna say our goodbyes. It kinda hurts, I'm not gonna lie. Jordan actually just texted me, said the guy just pulled into his complex. So we're going to get our tails over there, and we're gonna capture this last moment to just cherish as a fond old memory of Ruby 5.0. So, if you're bummed, drop a like up on this video. We gotta make the best of what we got today, boys. But I'm actually excited for Jordan, just because I know that feeling of wanting to try something new and to move on from this and try that. So I totally get it. I'm just being a little dramatic, so to speak. Actually, hold on. Oh, there we go, baby. I don't know, maybe once we roll up with Lucifer sounding like Trump 747, then he might reconsider, because, you know, he could do the same. I doubt it, though. Looks like he has a Mustang too. What do you know? That's pretty dope.
Would you like to get out of the car, sir?
What's up, player? What the hell are you doing here?
Fucking jet on
Yeah, no, that was just.
What are you doing here? You didn't tell me you were here. Dude, he's leaving us, bro.
Who is?
Jordan.
I know. I'm sad.
He wants to get a Tesla. Is he still on that?
No, he said he will.
All right, let's not put that out there, because he might get flamed.
He might get.
Don't put it out there. Here, can you grab my door for me? I'm kind of two-handing this right now.
Two-handed, double-handed.
Yeah, it's kind of like my life story.
A coin toss on whether or not my bike starts up.
Is the battery toast?
No, it's not toast. It's fine, but it's just been a while.
It might start. You might not hear it though.
I'll start it. Shut up.
What's up, G?
What's up?
How you guys doing?
What's up?
Not much. Derek. Dylan, good to meet you. Derek, good to meet you, Haley. Why, dude? Why? Hold on, why? What's going on? I gotta interrogate you real quick.
That's why.
Well, why are you getting rid of it?
Because I can.
Are those clubs yours?
No, those are Ben's.
Ben, grab the damn club. Grab it.
Started.
Grab the club. Do you still want it if it has a busted headlight? Ben, hit the fucking headlight. Oh damn! Yo, Neighbors are gonna be pissed.
Oh, I know. You just showed up in your jet airplane.
Did it sound sick?
Starting up the cannon. Oh, dude, it sounded ridiculous. I wasn't sure who it was because I'm not used to that.
It's me, dude. I'm ratchet with it. Keep that blow-up valve open, cuz.
Oh my God, Micah.
Sit in old Ruby. I sat right there. Right there. Plenty of farts went down right there too. But he took me to go get Lucifer, so I have a connection to this.
Yeah, I gunned it a little bit. R.I.P. to Ruby.
I should just kick it. Why? It's Ruby. He can fix it. But if it goes away, it's gone forever. Can't fix that. You know this one guy that bought his dream Terminator Cobra and the douchebag let go of it?
I saw that.
Yeah. No, I was talking about myself.
Oh, yeah.
You're looking good. I think you washed it. It looks damn good, actually. Damn. It's an end of an era, boys. I think they got a nice little Gen 2 here as well. I wonder if this is his girls and he's getting Ruby. I think that's what's happening here. It's a nice car though.
It's gonna be her car.
Oh, this is yours?
Yeah.
Hey, yo! What made you want an S197?
I just got rid of mine.
Oh, did you?
Well, I had a V6.
Oh, okay. Dang, that's a hell of an upgrade.
2010.
Damn.
Similar lifestyle.
Oh, you're gonna love this then. So I'm assuming the Gen 2's yours?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. How long have you had that for?
2 years.
2 years? Okay, nice, very nice. Damn, y'all about to be stunting out here.
That's what she's been driving for like the
Two
last
250s, one S or one S197, one S550. Bang, bro. My dad drove Lucifer today, and I told him to put it in second at 3,500 RPM, and he smacked it. He nearly shot himself. He's never driven. He's old school. He's never driven anything like that. Josiah was in the back. He's like, oh my god! And it was just pulling, bro. God, I forgot how good this thing looks, dude. Like clean.
Yeah.
Golly, she's a beauty.
Like a Ruby.
Oh my gosh.
Get it?
Yeah, he put the resonators back on. I gotta admit, I kind of like it.
It's not bad.
It makes it more refined.
I was like, it's not like.
I think the
ear
courses are
bleeding
going off
loud.
mine.
Exactly. It's not as
I think I'm
loud.
taking them off.
that?
Actually, valved exhaust. They're thinking about making quads for S197. So I think I'm gonna run that. Yeah, the
can
courses
put
are
that on
kind
my
of
three,
ratchet. I'm not gonna lie.
Your shit's loud. I'll put that shit on. Especially loud from the back and now loud from the front. Yeah, he's gonna go smack.
That is what your boy Peter said. He's loud from the back, Ben, eh?
Fuck out of my house.
This is my fucking stopping
No,
ground.
it's not. Yours is over there.
So what you guys think?
It's fun.
Like it? Nice, hell yeah. She's a nice car.
Sorry, Jordan. 24.
How was your last ride in Ruby? You a little
I
sad?
was in the backseat. It was weird. It's different. I've never been back there.
Yeah. How you feeling? Come on, cuz.
What?
Give me that interview.
It's just a car.
Facts. You a little sad though? You gotta be.
Yeah, a little bit.
Going from the new Edge to the 5.0. This was it.
I'll have to run up to the apartment to get all the papers and stuff.
He's like, this is the sound of my people. It's from the
What?
Galaxy Dynamo. Sound of my people.
What's that supposed to mean?
Micah's people.
Are you
He's calling them.
Yeah, what
are you
is that
talking
about?
It's Micah.
5, is that your apartment number?
3. Oh yeah.
Hey, the gay guy. The gay guy that lives
He
in
just
305. All right, you guys drive safe, have fun. Don't let her gap you on the way home. Let us know what happens. If you miss Forrest, just wreck them into the trees.
Isn't it so much quieter?
It sounds good. I like it.
It's actually loud when you're on it.
Oh yeah, I like it.
Hasta luego, Ruby.
Tell her turn the light off.
Love that.
Lucifer didn't like that. I'm gonna go gap him. I'll be back. Wow, it looks like I gotta throw an R6 in here. Oh, what do you know? We have space for an R6. Looks like I gotta get a bike now.
Hey, does anybody want to buy a bike?
No, don't buy it. He wrecked it into a tree.
That's not it.
Here's Jordan's new car. Hope you enjoy. And remember, drop a thumbs up on this. Oh, there he is, boys. Yeah, 5-0 gang! Shit, dude. He's gotten it. He switched it up on me. Well, guys, here it is. Damn, boy. How's it feel, man?
Hey, feels great.
Shit, there you go, bro. That's insane. Fucking give us the rundown, man. What do you got here?
Well, we got a 2014 5.0 ruby red, as you can see. It's got a couple things done to it already. Things that I definitely like is why I bought the car. It has Cook's long tubes on it already. It also has a JLT intake.
Wow. Oh my, it looks so much better in person. Yeah, they're gonna look good together. There's Lucifer. We got Ruby 5.0 right here. Well, I just tidied things up here in the garage, and it feels so good to have my garage back, to have Lucifer back, and you know, I got my little relax area. I was just laying down, just got done answering some YouTube comments. So if you watch the videos and stuff, drop a comment, man. I read them all, and I legit try to respond as much as I can. It's one of the things I'm like very proud of, is like I don't just blow people off in the comments. If I don't comment back, it's because I'm extremely busy and that video has passed and one's probably already posted. I don't go back to older videos. But just like now, I know a lot of you guys left a comment on the recent video, Wednesday's video, and or it's Mondays or something like that. I don't know when this video is going out, but I try to respond to everybody, and it does help me out in the long run, like algorithm and stuff with the likes, comments, and whatnot. But I decided to go and get Lucifer's engine bay detailed, and just by looking at it, guys, I can't believe how good this looks. Like, I'll just sit back here and I just look at it, and it's just like, it's perfect. To me, this car is perfect. It's the best Mustang they ever made, and I just so happen to have, in my opinion, the best spec you can get. Like, this overall is just perfect. S197 in grabber blue, probably the best color they made these in. You know, the engine bay, it's just, I don't even really have to touch on it. I've touched on it so much, and I'm just seriously in awe. And one of you guys commented, I think on my Instagram, and said this is like a piece of art. And dude, that's exactly how this feels right now. Like, just going into detail with this build, and like just seeing the outcome, and just seeing how nice it sits here in my little man cave with all my stuff. It's just, I don't know, man. That's a lot of hard work right here. And I know to many, like, this might be just an ordinary S197, but don't forget, man, I started from the mud, for real. That was my pride and joy right there at one point. It was just a stock old 2-valve with some Rovos wheels. And I had no money in the bank whatsoever, and I dreamt of owning something like this. Like, legit dreamt, guys. I can't stress it enough that, like, go out there and get it done, man. And I know there's a lot of people watching this right now that are in the same freaking boat I was in. They want a Mustang, whether it's an S550, S197, SN95, Fox body. It doesn't matter. If you're not in a position to get yourself a car yet, don't give up. Don't get discouraged. Don't envy other people. You can look up to other people and, you know, people that may have an influence or drive you to work harder, but you can make it happen. I promise you. And here we are, you know, freaking Lucifer. We have Hades next door. Like, it's nuts. It's absolutely nuts. Low key, at the end of the day, if you're watching this, I genuinely fuck with you, and I just can't thank you enough for allowing me to live my dreams every day. I feel like I never say that enough. And I'm just gonna leave it at that, but thank you so much, guys, for real.